Meet Turkish Akinci high-altitude long-endurance combat drones. According to the media reports, it is a 4.5-ton platform capable of deploying about 1.5-ton payload with an airframe equipped with 2 turboprop engines. It is reportedly capable of deploying a payload of 1,350 kilograms, which include 400 kilograms in the internal weapons bay and 950 kilograms on external hardpoints. They can be equipped with TEBA 81, TEBA 82 weapons system as well as HGK Precision Guidance Kit. It will be first drone capable of launching air-launched cruise missiles. These drones can be equipped with locally made active electronically scanned array radar and air-to-air missiles, Gökdoğan and Bozdoğan.